Hi, this is Kevin with KGMJAM, owner of Pro Advertisers Club, a totally free site to advertise. Go to proadvertisersclub.com and join for free today and start advertising for free. Okay, this is pack five or six, and let's just go ahead and get it open. Each pack has a complete set in it. So what I'm going after now is the variant cards. And you get one of those per pack. So that will be card number 8. And I do not have that one, so that is awesome. That is number, show all new items. Okay, that's this, yeah, number, I do have that one, I believe. So let's go to here, go product checklist. And let's see. Yeah, I've already got it. So I will trade the extra one for one of these two later on today. Okay, well, anyway, thank you for watching and have a nice day, and I'll see you tomorrow.